What's up, guys? Nick here with some raw day trading footage here, and let's get right into it. So we have this SERV that pops up above 6.5. I don't take any of this. I learned my lesson not to do breakout trading on this stock earlier in the day. I'd already lost a bunch of money. It was clearly strong. Something was happening. Someone was buying, and I just was getting wrong at where. I then looked at the chart and looked at the history, and I was like, isn't that funny? This stock, in this particular situation, all of these dips keep getting bought up. No matter where it's at, there's always one candle after that has a little bit of support to it. And even here where it breaks down, it's like there's a little support and it comes down. And so I'm like, all right, well, I guess I can't buy these highs any longer, or at least I'm not doing it well. I'm not reading it right. It's not working for me. So I'm just going to leave that. And then this is what I end up doing, adjusting the day. And I did that very successfully on Friday. And super proud of it. Because that, as a trader, is your main job, is successfully adjusting to the market. So I'm sitting here at hit 6.6. It's looking a little bit peaky here, like it wants to finish off. The 5 minute just closes, and I am like, no way I'm taking this for a breakout. And it keeps creeping lower, little jump there, but it's still holding low. I'm like, where's that red candle at? Show me that red candle, because I'm sure even if it does end up failing after this, I mean, I'm not sure, but like the theory was, if it ends up failing after this, I still might be able to get a nice cut in the 16 levels right there. I'm thinking, all right, come on, guys, blow it through 16. Let's see what happens underneath, and I'm gonna take a stab, see what you guys are gonna do to it. And it holds there for a second. I'm like, boom, in, and then it goes down slightly lower, and I was sketched out for a second, but it burns up right here, goes up higher. I take it out for a nice little win, and then I'm back looking at it because it's a new candle, and I'm like, all right, how's this candle going to form? Oh, back down to 85, 71, 72, 3. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? What are you going to do? And then I don't think I take a trade in this candle, but as the candle closes, and I'm like, all right, are you just going to flush? And that's a question. It definitely could. It definitely could just disappear right now. But it's kind of holding. I'm like, interesting. You're below 75, but you're holding. Good chance now that shorts get picked out. I buy there. And I'm like, come on, baby. A little bit of buying pressure there. We have a good fill. I wait for it to pop to 90, 80, 84, balance out, and then I take it off at 87 for a nice offset winner. Anyways, that was how I started to turn it around on the day on this name. I think I went from down 171 on it to up 250 on it, and it put me up. It was around like 460 on the day in total. And I was like, hey, not a bad day. Let's take it and run, and really absorb the lessons of successfully adapting to the stock and how it was trading. Because that's one thing that I have been notoriously stubborn about, is trading chart patterns as like each stock kind of adheres to the same chart patterns. But it's really just not true. Like in some cases they will, in some cases they won't, and you really have to understand the potentials, but trade to the specific stock. And that being said, day trading is risky. I think it's not it's risky. Day trading is risky. These results are one after 4 years plus now of trading and reading and trying to do it. And so like, even though they're not crazy big compared to other people I know, they're still hard to get. and keep that in mind. It's really hard to reproduce, and my wins are at the cost of somebody else's losses. And so whoever, you know, I sold to at as it peaked there, they bought shares, and then they will have to unload. They had to unload at a lower price. So day trading is not. It's not like dentistry, right? Where like it's not like you both kind of win in the interaction. They get money, you get better teeth. In if like the best case scenario, and so don't. I don't want you to come in with any misconceptions. This type of trading too. Um, it's trading like don't listen to me. Just manage yourself. Like this is just for myself to make. So, anyways, hope you all have a fantastic day. Beautiful Sunday. Get ready for the week. Um, and be productive in life. Anyways, peace out. Love you guys.